How to sound like a native speaker in just 7 days. You don't need a new accent. You don't need to memorize 1,000 new words. You need to fix the way your English sounds, and that can start changing in just 7 days. Here's the truth. Sounding native isn't about knowing more. It's about 3 things: rhythm, connection, and confidence. Most learners never focus on these, so no matter how much vocabulary they gain, they still sound foreign. Day 1 to 2. Fix your rhythm. English isn't spoken word by word, it's spoken in beats. Native speakers stress certain words and rush through others. Start noticing this in every show or podcast you watch. Don't just listen to the words, listen to the music behind them. Day 3 to 4. Learn to connect your words. Natives don't say "what is it," they say "what is it." They blend sounds together. This isn't slang, it's how the language naturally flows. Pick 5 common phrases and practice saying them the connected, natural way, out loud, every day. Day 5. Shadow real speech. Pick 1 minute of a native speaker talking. Play it. Pause it. Repeat exactly what they said, same speed, same rhythm, same tone. Do this 10 times. This single habit trains your mouth and ear together faster than almost anything else. Day 6. Record yourself. Say a few sentences out loud, record it, and listen back. It'll feel uncomfortable, but this is how you catch the gap between how you think you sound and how you actually sound. Day 7. Speak without translating. Have a real conversation, with a person, an app, or even yourself, and focus only on flow. Don't pause to fix grammar. Don't translate in your head. Just let the rhythm you practiced take over. Here's what's real. In 7 days, you won't sound identical to a native speaker, nobody does that this fast. But you will sound noticeably smoother, more natural, and more confident. And that shift is what people actually notice first.